Tolaga Bay today and up around the East Cape. This is Mike Lloyd, I'm Andrew. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
A friend of mine, Mike, came over from Melbourne and we decided we'd go for a ride around the coast. So Mike hired himself a V-Strom 650 and I took my Kawa Ninja and off we went around the east coast or East Cape of the North Island of New Zealand. I'll show you quickly on this large map where we went. We went through to Rotorua and then up through here, past the beautiful lakes, up towards here, down through Wainui Valley to Opotiki, and then through the Waiaweka Gorge. Great ride through there to Gisborne, and then up and off around the coast we go. We overnighted at Tolaga Bay right here with the large wharf on the ocean side. Quite something to behold. Went north to Tokomaru Bay, which is here, and then right up here to Te Araroa, and through this coast road through here to Waihao Bay, Te Kaha, and then back down through Opotiki and back home from there. Here we are in Gisborne. Now the road up through here on the coast is a little bit rutted by the logging trucks which frequent this part of the Bay of Plenty, so care must be taken. The scenery and the roads are just magic though as far as motorcycling is concerned. This is quite a remote part of New Zealand, this road, so fuel stops are quite rare. In fact, the only place I managed to find fuel at the top end was right here at the place called Te Araroa, which is in here, which was a self-service kiosk. The next fuel stop was through this road here to Waihao Bay. Now, this area through here is honey-making country. The best road on the ride was definitely through here from Te Araroa to Waihao Bay. Just absolutely superb. The road had been recently sealed, but there was no grit or anything on the road. Something else as far as motorcycling is concerned, it definitely is a must-see ride. Let's show you some photos from the trip. Hey! Tolaga Bay Wharf. Te Araroa. This is where we used to stay when we were kids. Yep. Schoolhouse Bay, Te Kaha.